everyone. Today we're going to be making a Cobb Salad Sub. What all goes into the Cobb Salad Sub? 1 loaf, about 1 pound of unsliced Italian bread. I have French bread. 1/2 cup balsamic vinaigrette or dressing of your choice. 5 ounces of fresh baby spinach, about 6 cups. 1.5 pounds sliced deli ham. 4 hard-boiled eggs, finely chopped. 8 bacon strips, cooled and crumbled. I just got the already cooked stuff I'm going to be cooking in the microwave. 1/2 cup crumbled Gorgonzola cheese. And 1 cup cherry tomatoes chopped. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is cut your Italian bread. Mine is French. Cut it lengthwise. I just had Dave do that for me because mine wouldn't be a pretty sight if I did it. Then what you need to do is we're going to gut both of the halves out. We won't be using the bread, so use it for bread pudding, or we'll give ours to the bird. Leave about 3/4 of an inch shell. And be careful not to rip the side like I just did. And I'll do that and I'll be right back. Alright, so I gutted it out. The bread is so fresh that it tore where it wasn't supposed to tear. So I'm kind of pushing it together. The top did a lot better on that. So take your balsamic vinaigrette or whatever dressing you want and just brush it all over the inside of the cavity. Whoever thought you could have a salad in a sub, right? There you go, 1/2's done. And I'm going to avoid my little holes. I don't want it to seep through. And you can do this as heavily as you would like. It does absorb pretty good. I'm not a big balsamic vinaigrette person, so I'm just going to put it where it's covered. And with all of these ingredients, you can add more or less of whatever you want to it. And you can make it your own. It doesn't have to be a Cobb salad. It could probably be a different type of a salad. Now the rest of it will just be on the bottom. So we'll take and put our spinach leaves. Alright, so I took my ham slices and cut them in half. I think they'll fit on there a lot better. And next we'll put the diced up eggs on top of the ham. I would have thought sliced eggs would work better on this. So maybe that's a thought. If you make this, maybe it'd stay a little bit better, I think, if they were sliced eggs. Next we'll put our bacon there. And then we'll put our cheese. And I'm making a mess all over the place. And then lastly, we will put our tomatoes. And there is our sandwich. Now, according to the recipe, they say to cut it down this way and then cut it this way. And to me, that's more or less like appetizers. So I'm just going to be cutting it in slices. So I'll get that done and we'll get it dished up and have Dave do a taste test. So here is the Cobb Salad Sub. And rounding out the meal is potato chips and everything bagel deviled eggs. I'll get Dave to do a taste test.
And what am I testing?
The sandwich, it is Cobb Salad Sub.
Cobb Salad Sub? Looks like a Cobb salad. Sub. That's pretty good.
Does it taste like a Cobb salad?
Yeah, if you had like a roll with it or something. I think so. It's very, very tasty.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.